I am Shelly, a student of BBA LL.B, and the topic of today is women's safety laws in India. A woman is the first heartbeat a child hears. We live in a society where women play powerful roles as mothers, daughters, sisters, and leaders. They are not just a part of the family, they are often the very foundation of families, the strength behind success, and the soul of a nation. But this soul of nation is tired of fighting for her basic safety. She is the pillar of the country. Her safety is not a privilege, it is her fundamental right. To protect the dignity and safety of women, our legal system has introduced several important laws. Section 63 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita defines rape as any non-consensual sexual act committed against a woman. Section 64 provides that the punishment for rape shall not be less than 10 years, which may extend to life imprisonment along with fine. Under Section 74, any act done to outrage the modesty of a woman, like unwanted touch or use of criminal force, is punishable with imprisonment of not less than 1 year, which may extend up to 5 with fine. Under Section 75 of BNS, any man who sexually harasses a woman by making physical contact, demanding sexual favors, showing pornography, shall be punished up to 3 years of prison and fine or both. Section 76 describes any person who tries to forcibly remove a woman's clothes will up to 3 to 7 years of imprisonment. Under Section 77, if someone secretly records or watches a woman doing a private act like changing clothes or using the washroom, it is called voyeurism and is punishable with up to 7 years of prison. Under Section 78, if a man tries to contact a woman or monitors her online activity, it is considered stalking, and the punishment for this crime is 3 years of prison. Section 80 describes if a woman dies within 7 years of her marriage under unnatural circumstances and it is found that she was harassed or subject to cruelty by her husband or in-laws for dowry, it is considered as dowry death. The guilty can be punished with a minimum of 7 years of prison, which may extend up to life. Section 85 deals with mental or physical cruelty done by husband or in-laws towards a woman. Cruelty includes constant harassment or torture, demanding dowry, etc. is punishable up to 3 years of imprisonment and fine. Many women, even today, face domestic violence where they are not treated with kindness and respect in their own homes. Emotional abuse, insults, controlling behavior, financial restrictions, and mental torture. These are all forms of domestic violence that happens in the homes. To protect women from such violence, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act was passed in 2005. Under this law, a woman does not have to silently suffer in her own home. She has the right to ask for protection, shelter, financial support, and peace of mind. The court can order the violator to stay away from her, stop the harassment, and provide her a safe environment. This law gives a woman the right to live with dignity. The next act is the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Dowry is the money, gifts, or valuable items that the bride's family is expected to give to the groom's family during marriage. This pressure slowly became a burden for girls and their families. It led to stress. To stop this, the Dowry Prohibition Act was passed in 1961. In this act, taking dowry is a punishable offence. This act exists to protect daughters, to remind that a society that a girl is not for sale. Marriage should be about respect and not transactions. The next major act is POCSO Act. This act was made in 2012 to protect children from sexual abuse of any form. It doesn't matter whether the offending person is a stranger or relative or even someone trusted. This law makes sure the child is not scared during police and court procedures. Everything is kept child friendly. To support all these laws, we also have 24/7 helplines like 112 or 181, fast track courts, support centers, medical care, counseling, and legal support. In conclusion, I want to say that a woman is not just a daughter, sister, mother, or wife. She is a creator and a contributor. When we talk about her safety, we are not just protecting a woman, we are protecting a generation. Because a woman nurtures, empowers, and builds the nation. So let's not wait for another tragedy to wake up. Let's be the generation that not only empowers women but also ensures that their dignity is protected and their lives are safe. So, we will be back with some more latest legal updates. Thank you.